If a chef's kitchen, a stone fireplace, a pond, and a pool all on 21 acres sounds like your kind of lifestyle, you need to see this. Welcome to 62 Pine Valley Drive, a stunning custom-built post and beam farmhouse designed for entertaining, relaxing, and everyday enjoyment. The open floor plan centers around a show-stopping double-sided stone fireplace, creating a natural gathering space for family and friends. The chef's kitchen is built to impress, featuring a professional-grade Viking gas range, generous workspace, and seamless flow into the dining and living areas, perfect for hosting everything from casual get-togethers to holiday celebrations. Just beyond the main living space, outdoor living truly shines. A fenced-in, in-ground pool with a pergola creates a private summer oasis, while the expansive deck overlooks the backyard and surrounding woods. The front porch offers a quieter retreat, where morning coffee comes with pond views and frequent visits from deer and local wildlife. Throughout the home, the lodge-inspired design brings a sense of calm and comfort, making it easy to unwind the moment you walk through the door. Set on 21 acres with its own pond and exceptional privacy, this property offers the rare combination of craftsmanship, space, and lifestyle, an inviting place to entertain, relax, and truly feel at home.